Okay, so now we are going to take a closer look at the operator precedence. That is the order of execution. Okay, all right. So operator precedence determines which operations are performed first in an expression. So let us take a closer look at the precedence table. That is from the highest to the lowest. Okay. All right. The highest precedence is the parenthesis. Okay. All right. So this is important to note. Parenthesis, bracket open, bracket close. Okay. So this is the first thing that you are going to deal with. Okay. So for example, you have a bracket open here, bracket close, 5 plus 5, then times 2. Okay. First, you deal with the parenthesis before you go to the next ones. Okay. All right. So the second thing is going to be exponentiation. Okay. So all right. So the highest level parenthesis, the second highest is the exponentiation. So for example, 10 to the power 2, and then we have a times 4 first, then you have to calculate this one, 10 to the power 2, that is going to be 100, then times 4, then you're going to have a 400. Okay. So now the third one is the multiplication and division. Okay. All right. So that is very important to note. We also have the floor division and also the modulo operator here. Okay. So this is very important. And the lowest of the lowest is the addition and subtraction. Okay. All right. So this is important to note, but let's go to the other side and take a closer look at it. All right. Now we are going to continue, and now we are going to do the Python operator precedence. So now I'm just going to paste this code here, and what I want you to do is for us to calculate this result. Okay, before we load this, we need to calculate the result, but this has to be according to the Python operator precedence, right? So let's look at it step by step. What did we say is the highest? It is the parenthesis. So now here, so now we have to do the operation that is inside the parenthesis. So 4 divided by 2, remember it's going to give us 2, but the answer will be a float, right? So it's going to be 2.0. So now what is the next level of precedence? The next level of precedence is going to be exponentiation. So now it is this one, right? This is the exponentiation. So 2 to the power 2, it's going to give us 4. So now I'm just going to type in here 4, okay? Now, the next level of precedence is the multiplication, the division. Remember the floor division, the modulus operator, they are the next one. However, here we only have the multiplication. So we're going to use the multiplication. Now, here is 5 times. Remember what we got here is 5 times. And then remember this 4 here because it was 2 to the power 2, 4. So 5 times 4 gives us 20. So now I'm going to replace this 4 with 20. So the next level of precedence is going to be the addition and the subtraction. They are the lowest level of precedence, and then we are just going to go ahead because since they are the same level of precedence, we're going to move from left to right. Okay, so now it's going to be 3 plus 20 minus 3 plus 24 is 23 minus 2.0, we're going to get 21. Okay, so now let me delete this to avoid having an error. Now I'm just going to click this and you can see we have 21. Okay, so this is how Python determines operator precedence, and understanding it helps you predict expression results. Okay, all right, so this is it for this lesson, and see you on the other side. Happy coding.